Near there? I'll just hide over there.
Oh my god, okay. Okay. We'll keep you updated, dude.
Okay, thank you.
Alright, bye. Bye. Okay, so long story short, my friend's boyfriend hit me up and was like, hey, do you know a photographer that can take pictures for me because I'm gonna propose to my girlfriend? And I was like, bet. I know the perfect person.
Okay.
We just turn it around, it's him.
So we finished eating and we're currently just waiting on Annie's friends to bring her down here to accidentally bump into her. And then we're supposed to bring her to the water wall, right? To take pictures.
Yep.
And then Melina wanted a fossil watch. So we were going into fossil and they were like, oh, you're our 36th customer, have a free watch. Bitch, what the fuck? And Matt was like, I'm craving cookies. So we went down here and got cookies and got a free fucking box of cookies. Y'all want cookies?
Say hi to the vlog.
Hello. Hello.
I thought this plan was not very good. We were just winging it, but Annie really doesn't suspect anything. It's kind of weird. Like, I don't know what to do or like say. I'm so surprised. So after the water wall, we're supposed to bring her to Eleanor Tinsley Park. I don't know how we're gonna do that without her being suspicious. We got to the water wall and it's off. It's not on. Oh my gosh.
In our favor though.
Why? Why does it work in her favor?
Because it'll be easier for her to go to the other park.
Oh, yeah, you're right.
So
And then kind of like click here. But not like cigarettes.
It's over here.
Yeah, that's fine.
Yeah. Wait, show the watch. It's your legs all the time.
Yeah, I don't know.
Okay, switch this leg right here. Other way, yeah.
Yeah. Like this?
Yep.
Yeah. Oh, that's cute.
Yeah.
Yeah, I like that.
Yep.
It started flying! What the fuck?
My next number, I'd like to return to the classic.
Okay, well, you know, I was like, this today has been so eventful, so many free things. Normally does not happen. I should buy a lotto ticket. What's going through my mind. Yeah, but then like, I don't know. This was so unexpected. Thank you guys.
Yeah, you're welcome. Congrats.
Probably like a lot of thought process